rushing in, don't even know where we'll land. Can you hear it? There's a steady sound getting louder as our feet touch down. Follow the night.
I now declare you graduates for the school year 2023-2024. And confer upon you your degrees with all their associated rights, privileges, and responsibilities. Again, congratulations, graduates.
Can you see it? There's a distant shore getting closer. We want nothing more than a dance in the waves, like we've never danced before. 'Cause we found something to hold on to now. So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Yeah, we hold on through this wild life. I know we'll make it count. This is our time. Enjoy the ride. Can you feel it? The rushing wind. Can you see it? The distant shore. Can you see it? I can see it.
RBH November 2024, 100%!
So we hold on. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. We're all right. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride.
Congrats, graduates!